So very healthy morning children. Hope all are doing good. Alright. Today we are going to start a new chapter that is related to geometry, that is points, lines, line segments and rays. You have very much idea about these all. What is a point, what is a line, what is line segment and what are rays. Already you have learned in your previous classes. But still let us learn in detail about all these things. So coming to point. What do you mean by a point? Yes children? Simple, a dot. A dot is nothing but a point. So simply a dot is nothing but a point. And we use capital letters, alphabets, uppercase alphabets or lowercase alphabets to name the points. Okay, a simple dot denotes the point. Alright children, and can we measure a point? Can we measure a point like how long is it? How thick is it? Can we measure it? No. So a point has no length or no breadth or no height. It has no measurement. A point has no measurement and it is the basic unit of geometry. Got it children? A simple dot is called as a point and it is the basic unit of the geometry and we use uppercase alphabets or the lowercase alphabets to name the point. So we read it as point A. How do we read it as? Point A. And a point cannot be measured. It has no length, no breadth or no height. Got it children? That is about your point. Alright. Next, coming to your lines. So, what do we mean by lines? See, what I am doing it, I am just marking the points over here. So, if I join all these set of points, what I am getting it? Line. So, I am joining all these set of points. What do I got? Line. So, what do you mean by a line? A line is formed by joining set of points. A line is formed by joining set of points. Alright. On a line you have infinite number of points. What do you mean by infinite? Countless. What do you mean by infinite? Countless. So a line is formed by joining infinite points. Alright. Similarly, we will be using the uppercase alphabets to name the line. And how do we represent this as? Line AB. How do you represent this as? Line AB. And a line has no starting point or no ending point. Remember children, these arrow marks, whatever the arrow marks I have marked it specifies that a line has no starting or ending point. So these arrow marks shows or says that a line can be extended on both the directions. The length of the line can be extended in both the directions. Got it children? So line is formed by joining set of points. And to name the line, we are using the uppercase alphabets. And how we represent this as? Small line, under that we are writing AB. And this we read it as line AB. How do we read it as? Line AB. So on the line we have infinite number of points. Similarly, using a point children, we can draw n number of lines. Infinite lines can be drawn through one single point. Got it? Next coming to the line segment. Now, suppose this is a line. Alright? This is a line. I am marking 2 points on this. What I am doing? I am marking 2 points on this and I am writing as C and D. But on line, I didn't mark any points if you observe it. But on the line, I have marked 2 points. It means this is also formed by joining the points. Line segment is also formed by joining the points. But we say line segment. Segment, it means part. Segment means part. A part of a line is called as line segment. What do you call as a line segment? Part of a line is called as line segment. And we are using here also uppercase alphabets to name the line segment. And how do we represent this as C, D? If you observe, a line has arrow marks. But do a line segment has arrow marks, children? No. Here see line AB. Here I have marked two arrow marks. It means this is a line. Line AB. Coming over here, line segment CD. Do I mark any arrow marks over here? No. So how do we read this as line segment CD? It means quite opposite to line. A line segment has a starting point and line segment has an ending point also. Try to see the differences between line and line segment, children. Line and line segment are formed by joining unlimited set of points, countless set of points. But if you take a part of a line, that is line segment. If you take any part of the line, that is called as the line segment. And a line has no starting point or ending point. Alright. But line segment has starting point as well as ending point. This arrow marks shows that a line can be extended in both the directions. Line can be extended in both the directions. But line segment cannot be extended because line segment has its own starting point as well as ending. Got it, children? That is about your line segment. And coming to ray. Ray again, I am taking a line, children. Ray is also a part of a line. See, I have marked it a point here. This is called as a ray. A ray has starting point but it has no ending point. See, if you see, one part of the ray is being marked with the dot and the other part is marked with the arrow. It means this arrow shows that the length of the ray can be extended only in this direction, that is towards the right side. If I take this part of the ray, see, this is a ray, this is its starting point, and this arrow mark shows that the length of this ray can be extended only in this direction in which the arrow is being pointed out. Alright, children. So, ray is also formed by joining set of points, but the thing is, ray is a part of a line, like how we say line segment is a part of a line. A ray has starting point but it has no ending point because the other part of the ray is marked with an arrow mark. This arrow mark shows or says that the length of the ray can be extended. So in which direction the arrow mark is being marked, in that direction itself the length of the ray can be increased. What is, children? And how do we represent this? Also, for this also we are using the alphabets to name it. And how do we represent this as ray XY? Got it? Ray XY. You can see the differences, children. Line AB. A line has two arrow marks and we are reading it as line AB. Coming here, it has no arrow marks. It has only the ending and the starting point. So I am reading this as line segment CD.